We are a fairly small company. We are scattered around the world. We have offices in Europe and Asia, and I think we play a major role in the whole airport community. We have been involved in lately, which I'm especially proud of, is grabbing 3 big deals in India, in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Delhi. We have been playing, on the market for the last 20 years, so we are very happy to have done that work.
When we started the project of Hyderabad Airport, we were experiencing 43% growth. So the initial project was for 5 million passengers. And then we changed that to 7, and now we opened with 12. When we did the IT systems, we chose UFIS because we wanted a system provider that would give us at least 20 million passenger kind of system. If you get the turnout of 20 million passengers, how can the system cope with it? And UFIS was one of those products that was tried and tested in various other airports, and we felt that it's the right product to put inside Hyderabad Airport.
Has it enabled you to do things that perhaps that you might not have been able to in terms of that adaptability when you say that huge passenger growth that you had?
Sure. Yeah, it has. I mean, we were one of the first airports in India to design an airport operations control center. And that's the nerves and the heart of the airport operation. So we have everyone from the air side to terminal side to the baggage handling system, the electrical systems, technical services, IT, all into this one room. And the primary application that we're using inside that is the UFIS product. And it helps us to be more efficient, like I say. On our big, large video wall that we have there, we have the UFIS resource allocation flagged up on the screen, showing minute by minute, detailed information about what's happening at the airport.
In terms of other developments, I know you're working in a key area that's partly led by a new EU directive for Rome.
Yes, that's correct. And it's something called PRM, Passengers with Reduced Mobility. We did deploy a solution for that last year. And I really can't understand how that airport could survive before without that. Now they have a small war room, 6 people sitting there planning for all these wheelchairs to be ordered, and we also deployed that at Athens.
Let's talk about some of the other key projects for you, either lying ahead or over the last year. Are there ones that you're particularly proud of?
I'm particularly proud of what we're doing now in Barcelona. It's one of the biggest projects in Europe, the new midfield terminal there, and that terminal will serve roughly 25 million passengers, and they will open now in this summer.
Cost pressures are extraordinary on the market. Do you offer products that help with meeting those kind of challenges?
I'm very happy that we took a decision a couple of years ago to develop a new platform for this environment actually coming up now. We will deliver a platform enabling our clients to run multiple airport operations, and they can have one installation at one location serving a lot of airports around. Right now, we are speaking about having 80 airports to 2 hubs running this new solution, and they only need to have resources, maintenance people, techie people in these 2 locations instead of, having this in 80 locations out there. So I think it's a big cost saving for airports, and especially smaller airports, they can't afford to have these type of solutions and all these people handling it.
What's the feedback that you've had when you've suggested that to clients?
To say exactly that, like one of our clients say, this is a killer application and no one has it so far. If you actually can pull that to the market, you will be the first ones, and we will be happy to be there.
And as you do these projects, are you kind of learning new products, new extensions of your product line?
We are working very close with our main clients out there, especially, just to mention the new development we're doing with UFIS JB, our new Java-based solution. We are working very close with Athens Airport in that respect, and also other clients, to really develop these functions that the market are asking for.
And when you look at the baggage handling sides, what sort of developments are you particularly excited about in that area?
We have a high-level control software which we have developed called Brains, which also now is deployed in Barcelona. And the airport in Oslo is already running that older version, so we will deploy the new version now in Terminal 1 and then also be in Terminal 2.
What lies ahead for UFIS? You've got more exciting projects coming up?
Yes, we have, and we will look into the Indian market even more. We also have exciting projects going on in Singapore. We have some fairly big projects going on in Thailand, so I think we will have a good year ahead.